Ay, bawal ba? Dapat ipasa yun. Uy, Sean, ang galing mo na. Ano siya? Ang galing-galing mo yan yan.
16.
Oo, sinay kayo, no? Ayun, nakaupo.
Your first personal foul.
Sige. Congrats, Sean. Ingat.
First row, connect.
Hindi, bago siya si ni David. Nice one!
Rebound by elbow. Asap, brother. That's a foul committed by number 13. That's your first personal foul, number 13. Find your players, man-to-man defense, 1v1. Nice speed move. No.
Wow! Ay! Ay!
Rebound by Asaf.
Uy, nice one! Ay! Uy! Uy! Sige, sige po, sis. Ingat po.
That was your second personal foul, number 30 of Infinity, second team. Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity. Two points, number 30. Ball returned to backcourt violation. Ball returned to backcourt violation. Infinity ball, Infinity. Steal by Muhammad. Behind the back dribble. Muhammad closely guarded. Muhammad penetrates. Lays out. There's a foul. Committed by number 6. That was your first personal foul, number 6 of Infinity. 13 fouls, Infinity. First row, connect for Muhammad. Ready jumpers. Second throw, no. Ball out of bounds. favor of Infinity. Number 30, pass number 2,
Ay!
Strong.
Ang lakas.
Find your man-to-man defense, man-to-man.
Shoot! Shoot mo! Jump ball.
And ball in favor of Infinity. There's a whistle on the foul committed by number 23 of Adriani Tain. That was your first personal foul, second team.
Shoot! Yes!
2 points.
Ayun na, kunin mo.
Okay, there's a foul committed by number 2. 5 in, 5 out, Pasarel. Pasarel. Adriani, change 5. Change 5, coach. Sub 5 players. First row connect.
Binawal na kayo? Oh,
Back out of bounds.
That was that. What's that? What's that? What's that?
kuya. Ay, kuya.
Ali, Ronnie Jones. Okay, players, fix your shoelace.
Parang hindi yata pwede mag-susunod. Hindi siya pwede. Still!
by brother. Ali, dribble the ball, steal by number 0. Pass to number 0. Another shot! Another score! El Cool.
Umiscore ka na.
Step out of bounds. Watch for the white line. We're using the white line, kids. Go to your man-to-man defense. 1v1. 1v1. Number 34. No. Rebound again by Infinity. Rebound number 23. Closely guarded by 23 to 34. Steal by number 0. Counter steal.
Shoot.
Number 23. Stop and pop. No. Rebound by number 17. Yorko sidestep. 12 against 5. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ali's into defense. Using the glass. Seconds to play. Cross pass to Cross. Loses the handle, recovered by Ali. Pass to Pagliari. Pagliari penetrates using a body.
Ay.
Rebound by Obras. That's a foul. Committed by number 21. Number 21, that's your first personal foul and warning for penalty. Infinity, warning for penalty. 35 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Go, Gian.
10 seconds.
Yes!
Basket count, foul committed by number 17. Number 17. That's your first personal foul and 13 fouls, Al-Riyadi. 9 seconds and 1. And 1 for number 21. Switch.
Rebound and shoot.
9 seconds. 5 seconds.
Ay! Wala lang shoot.
Okay, warning for double team Infinity. No double team. 1 versus 1 man-to-man defense. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official spends. Go to your man-to-man defense.
Pass.
That's good. Nice defense.
Foul.
Okay, nice defense for Al-Riyadi Bong. Go to your man-to-man defense. Follow your man. Steal by number 30. Follow your man. Go to your players. Don't lose your players. See? Block by Al-Ghul. Nice block by number 0. Follow your players. Don't lose your players.
Sapa. Lakas.
Ball out of bounds in favor of Albiani. Go to your players, man defense. Follow your player. Good. Nice pass. And goal! Pass to number 11. Go to your man. Follow your players. Steal by Muhammad. Traveling. Find your players. Go to your players. Follow him. Always injury coach. Okay, go to your players. Man-to-man defense. Follow your players. Follow your...
Uy, double team! Nice one!
Yes, stop that ball.
Nice, Daniel!
Muhammad, no! Rebound, there's a foul! Coming by number 23. That was your first personal foul, number 23. First team. Foul on number 17. That was your second personal foul, number 17. First team.
Wow, saan galing yan? May dala. Ay, thank you. Thank you po.
Muhammad blocked by number 23. Recover. Steal by number 30.
Galing. Yes!
2 points. Timeout, Al-Riyadi. There's a foul committed by number 9 of Infinity. That was your first personal foul. Second team. Loses the handle.
Nice one. Go, Daniel! Sige! Shoot mo na.
That's your second personal foul, number 23 of Al-Riyadi. Second team.
Go, attack! Ay! Isa pa!
Nice one, nice one. Good.
Uy.
Ball out of bounds in favor of Al Riyadi. Muhammad closely guarded. Pass El Ghul. El Ghul looking for his teammate. Muhammad is there. Muhammad post play. Pass to number 23.
Jump ball.
To Yorgo. Yorgo. Pivot foot. No! Rebound by El Ghul. Blocked by number 0. Okay, prepare for the second 5.
We double team.
Number 6 though. Number 23. Sir, change 5, change 5. Okay, back to the ball game. We don't have timeout. Only change 5. Change players.
Naninermon pa si coach. Coach, mamaya na yan. Go, Ali.
Ball out of bounds in favor of Al Riyadi.
Uy, may mga...
There's a goal! Basket! Basket count. Foul committed by number 2. Change favor, 16-15 in favor of Al Riyadi. Bonus free throw and 1. Completed by Muhammad.
Go, Ali! Ay,
Short.
help, help.
Traveling violation in favor of Al Riyadi.
Nice one, Gian. Galing ni Gian. Go, Gian.
There is a foul.
Sino kasama ni Gian? Asa na?
Foul on numbers 27.
Ay, lumalabas talaga. Uy. Wait, wait.
Okay, we have an injury here. Wait. Sub first.
Naman siya sa mata. Relax. Bakit?
That's a carrying violation. Carrying violation. Steal.
Diyan!
Nice hustle by Muhammad. Okay. Ball returned to backcourt violation.
Ay! Ay!
Almost a steal.
Ay!
Ball returned to backcourt violation.
Nanggigilas to. Ang galing ni Coach. Gali!
Ali, this is Lendo in favor.
Go, Gian! Oy!
27. That was your second personal foul, number 27. Warning for penalty, Almiani.
Parang beast mode na siya, beast mode.
Deadlock for set. And one, no!
Ay? Gali! Ah!
36 seconds.
Hoy! Carrying! Galing.
20 seconds, 20.
Ay! Football!
Seconds. Time out! Infinity. 15 seconds.
Double team! Si Nathan di tinayo.
Nice one, Gian.
5
Ay.
seconds. number 23.
Bakoy, find your man, find your man, find your man.
Second personal foul, number 23 of Infinity. First team.
Ay, Daniel. Yes.
2 points.
Nice one, Daniel. Yes. Ay! Isa pa. Isa pa.
Two points, number 30. Ball out of bounds in favor of Valeriani.
Uy, travel. Nice one, Daniel. Nagko-control din siya.
In favor of Infinity, 2 point. 21-19.
Who's guarding this man?
2 points. Timeout. Al-Riyadi.
Uy, ang galing naman ni Daniel. Nice one, Daniel. Uy, double team. Ay, shoot mo na. Isa pa. Ay! Good! Double team!
Traveling violation. Foul committed by number 17. Change 5, Pasarel. 5 in, 5 out.
Tatlo na yun, no?
5 in, 5 out, change 5. Thrower will stay. Number 17 of Valeriani, Yurgo. You have 3 personal fouls. First team. Third personal foul, number 17, Yurgo. First row connect for number 23 of Infinity.
Ay, ang galing! Ang galing talaga nito.
Sub thrower. Okay, let's go. 25-19 our official score. 25-19.
Uy, travel.
Almost steal.
Nice defense, Nathan. Nice defense.
Ano naman?
Foul committed by number 34, Maliari. Second team fouls. Second personal foul, number 34. Another foul for Maliari, number 34. That's your third personal foul.
Hands up ka lang.
Third team. Third personal foul, Maliari. First row connect 20 against 25. Yes, sir. 2 for 2 for your goal. Double dribble.
Ay, isa pa. Ay!
Sinong foul? Ha? Foul on number 17.
Scores! Score! Score! Score!
Foul on number 34. Maliari, you have 4 personal foul.
Score!
Score na si Maliari.
Score! Score! 1 point! Upo, foul na tuloy-tuloy. Tatakot na tuloy si Nathan. Takot na siya.
Go, Nathan.
Ay! Isa pa! Hindi talaga siya nakakot. Ba't hindi niya nasa-shoot?
Okay, number 34. Number 34, 5 fouls. And warning for penalty. Your goal. No.
Go, Daniel! Okay, foul! Technical, technical! Technical, technical! Technical! Oh, technical! Technical, technical! Technical! Oo nga.
Sino? Okay, number 8. Unsportsmanlike foul. Asaf.
Siya, ikaw na nanulang, ikaw pagalit. Nice one!
First row connect.
Oo, siya nga. Yes! Nice, Daniel! Daniel, best player! Ang galing. Hoy, foul! Nanulak na. Baka kala niya football.
Foul again by number 8, Asaf. Third team.
Bakit
Second personal foul, number 8, Asaf.
Go, Gian! Uy, travel. Uy, travel! Go, 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 go! Uy, travel!
There's a foul penalty. Foul committed by number who? Number 2, Kobe. Penalty. That was your third personal foul, number 2, Kobe. Penalty.
Tinira sa pause niya. Dahil. Daniel, get the ball!
Putback. Yes, sir! Bayergo. 15 seconds remaining. Lou. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 24-29.
Yes! Pushing pa yon.
Okay,
Okay!
and quarter.
Yes!
Official score 31-24.
Oo nga, pag...
31. 5-point lead. Steal. That's a foul. Committed by number 23 of Infinity. Third personal foul, first team.
Oh!
Step out of bounds.
Na ano yata yun? Stop, sabi niya no.
Number 30, are you okay? You still have more players here to sub you. It's okay. If sub, it's okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, go to your players. Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity.
Ay!
Steal. Oh! Miscommunication pass. Timeout Infinity. 31, 5-point lead. Enjoyed by Infinity.
Ay! Malakas. Double team!
Steal by Muhammad. Stop and walk. No. Steal by Muhammad again.
Lumusot.
Pass to the break. Steal again. Troubling violation. Subdivision rep. Sub. Sub. Yeah, I already acknowledged Kobe. You can enter the court, Kobe. Just call the players you are going to sub.
Oy!
Same ball.
Nice one. Galing ah.
Go to your players, man-to-man defense.
Oy,
Man-to-man
oy, oy.
defense. Pass to your goal. Your goal, running jumps! Yes, sir! Correct! 28, 31, 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 28, 31.
Oy, double team!
Okay. We have a double team, warning for double teaming. Both teams warning for double team. Substitution ref. Substitution. Okay. Okay, find your players, find your man. 1v1. Man to man.
Ganyan! Uy!
23, Teo. Sub. Tame for Teo. Time out! Infinity. (31-28) in favor of Infinity.
Kanina? Free throw siya kanina eh. Di ba?
Okay, technical. Double team. Technical, who will take the shot? Okay. Oh, miss. Okay. That's a technical for double teaming. Mohammed Khaled! 1 point lead. 1 point lead.
Ali! Hindi niya na sinasadya eh. Kukuha ng bola. Kinuha niya yung bola. Hoy! Ba't ang init ng ulo nila?
5 minutes and 4 seconds, 31-30. 5 minutes.
Go, Daniel!
Foul on number 8. That was your third personal foul. Second team.
Shoot! Yes!
2 points. Too strong. Ball out of bounds. Find your players and demand defense.
Yun!
35-30.
Huli!
And good! 2 points. 32-35.
Goli!
Rebound by number. Ball out of bounds in favor. Parents, we can use the bench, please. substitution, right?
Nice D! Nice D!
Pai, palingkura ng mga parents na, Pai. Palingkura. Palingkura.
Three, two, one!
Oh, Haman dribbling the ball.
Nice D! Nice D! Nice D!
Steal with number 23. Pass to number 30, back to number 20.
Wow!
2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity. That was your last timeout, Infinity. Last.
Palimang bato, bibigyan pa ako. Isang box. Para ipapanood ako kay bago kasi. Kasi bibigyan sa iyo.
1 minute and 56 seconds remaining. Our score 37-32. A step out of bounds in favor of Al-Riyadi. 1 minute.
Bawi! Bawi! It's okay, Daniel!
El Gul, yes, sir, correct. 3-point lead. It's a close game.
Yes!
2 points. 39-34.
Nice one!
A step out of bounds. 1 minute 28 seconds.
Huli! Huli! Nice one, Jude! Nice one, Jude! Foul!
Step out of bounds. Time out. Al-Riyadi. 1 minute and 12:34 in favor of Infinity. Same ball. That's a foul. And a blocking foul committed by number 30.
Wala naman.
That's your third personal foul.
Sinadya?
Second team.
Sinadya, di ba? Ay, ganon.
Muhammad, first shot, no. 55 seconds.
Patay kayo. Ay, Daniel!
Steal by Muhammad. 45 seconds. Pass to El Gul.
Travel.
That's another foul committed by number 11. 13. Number 11 of Infinity. That's your first personal foul. 13, 41 seconds. by number 17. Here go, that's your fourth personal foul. 18 seconds remaining. 18. Almost a steal. 15 seconds. 16 seconds.
Sige pa!
There's a foul committed by number 8, Asaf. That was your fourth personal foul.
Yun!
First row connect for Ali. 40 against 34. 10 seconds. 10 seconds remaining.
Yes!
Time out. Al Riyadi. Okay.
Nagko-coach pa yung... Bumarabrate na siya.
Back to the movie. Seconds. 10 seconds remaining.
Ay! Ay!
That's a foul committed by number 23. Pushing foul in the act of shooting. Number 23. That was your fourth. 2 free throws for El Bull. Number 0. First row, connect for El Bull. 6 seconds remaining. 6. 35-41.
Tagal ah.
Yes, sir. Completed. 6 seconds.
Slow down.
5.
4. Tata mo. Foul.
Okay, foul on number
Good game, good game.
17. 1 second. Penalty.
Hindi, kasi pinaghampas si Daniel eh.
First row short. 1 second. 1 second. 36-41.